and Andrea Brillantes.
Because I like that New Star is actually supporting and celebrating creativity on like the big stage. Because we all know that Filipinos are very talented. You know, and now we get to show the world what we can do.
Bago ang lahat, bago natin buksan ang floor for questions, I would just...
So, again, creativity and confidence. When they are very bold, but they have the goods to back it up, you know? They know what they're doing. And again, they're doing it very well. And it's elevating something Filipino. And I think others are also very responsible. And they know that if you enjoy something, like me, everything in life should be in moderation. May it be, you know, in every aspect of life, it has to be in moderation. And feeling ko, I also want to highlight how a Filipino brand is, you know, competing on a global stage or a global digital space.
I am not sure if the commercial has already been shot. Na-shoot na ba yung commercial na before?